The wise will never do any wrong for the sake of any gain whatsoever. Dhammapad 84. Not for one's own benefit, nor of others, does he desire children, wealth, or kingdom, nor does he desire self-glory. Does he really stick, penetrative, and well-behaved? Neither for one's own nor for another's sake one should wish for children, wealth, state, nor success desired by means unjust. Thus, virtuous and wise, righteous one would be. Dhammapad 84. No artha hetu, no parasya hetu, no putta michche, no dhanang, no rathang, no ichcheo dhammeno, samidhi mattano, so silava pannava dhammikosya. Dhammapad 84.